Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today I'm just showing you some good old transportation. Chevy Impala, got a little clear coat coming off, few little hail dings here and there, some rock chips, but it's just a good affordable old car. Got good tread on the tires. Interior is pretty nice shape. Bucket seats, console, 2 keys, 2 fobs, power seat, floor mats. So just make a good, dependable car. Body's nothing pretty, got some hail damage on it here and there. Not huge, but does have some. And then some clear coat coming off. And I'll even sell it with warranty. So this would have a 3-month, 3,000-mile drivetrain warranty. So if you just need some decent transportation, these Impalas work great. And this one, it isn't a big rust bucket or anything, just a few dings and chips, come from out in western South Dakota, and ready to get you where you need to be. 605-692-7010. And by the way, if you stop at our lot, we have a new service. It's called iPacket. You scan that QR code and it'll tell you everything about the car. 605-692-7010.